Hi, fellow adventurers. Welcome to Trees, Trails, and Harvey Dog Tails. I'm adventure teacher Kara, and this is hiker Harvey. Today we're gonna have an amazing time. We're gonna learn about the letter P. P makes this sound, pa, pa. Can you think of any words that start with the letter P?
Pizza? Pancakes?
I can, and it's all around me. Can you guess what it is? It's plants. Plants are living things that have three main parts: roots, stems, and leaves. Some plants even have fruits and flowers. Plants are incredible. This plant right here is the willow. Can you see the leaves and stem? Right here, is the fruit, and inside the fruit are seeds. This plant right here is California sagebrush. It smells so good, and it's really good at cleaning things too. This plant right here is called the prickly pear cactus. Both of those words start with the letter P. Cacti are super cool, but you never want to touch them because it can hurt super bad. Ow! Do you have a favorite plant? I don't, because I love them all so much. I'm thinking of another word, and it starts with the letter P. It's pollinators. A pollinator is something that moves pollen from one plant to another, which causes it to grow. Can you think of any creature that helps pollinate plants? Did you know that bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and even flies are pollinators? Can you think of another word that starts with the letter P? I can, and it's super fun. It's play. To play means to do an activity or a game just for fun. Have you ever played make-believe? I have. Isn't it great? Hey, Harvey, what do you want to play?
I want to play bacon. I want to play bacon. Bacon.
I think he wants to play princess. Hey, I'm gonna be your knight in shining armor. Okay, let's go play. Oh, Princess Harvey. Playing is so good for you. It helps with your imagination and your creativity. Can you think of another word that starts with the letter P? I can, and it's positive. To be positive means to think that things are good. Like if somebody is playing with my toys, instead of thinking, man, I want to play with that, I think, cool, they're having a great time. Maybe I can play with them. So my challenge for you is to take something that might make you mad or angry or sad and turn it positive. I know that sounds hard, but I know you can totally do it. Okay, Harvey and I are gonna go finish playing. Thank you so much for adventuring with us today. See you next time. Bye, friends.
Bacon. More bacon.